Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to be making some pork fried rice, pork and mushroom fried rice. Really simple. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using today. So in the center we've got some rice, cooked basmati rice. Important that your rice is cold. Do not use warm or hot rice to make fried rice. Never turns out so well. Some fresh mushrooms I've got there, just kind of sliced roughly. Here I've got pork. Now I used pork leg, but you could be using pork belly, loin, anything you want. Soy sauce, onions, garlic and ginger. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper to this. We're not going to add salt because of the soy. Start this off with a touch of oil, but first what I want to do is just want to get that soy into the meat, give it a mix, then we go to the cooker. Okay, so mixing bowl, got our pork in there, and as you can see I've cut that into kind of nice bite-sized pieces to, you know, so it'll work well in the rice. Soy sauce, on it goes. We're just going to give that a little mix, and then we're going to get ourselves over to the cooker. Okay, here we go. So I've got a little wok here, got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using any oil you want, but you probably don't use olive oil. It doesn't work so well in this. Here's our meat without soy on it. In it goes. And what we're going to do on a fairly lively heat for about 4 to 5 minutes is just throw this pork around in the pan and get it cooked really nicely. Keep stirring. We're now going to add in our onion, our ginger, which I've cut into kind of this kind of thin strips. You can chop it small if you want, and garlic. In that goes, along with some black pepper and a generous couple of pinches of black pepper. High heat, 3-4 more minutes. Keep it moving. Wonderful, that garlic and ginger is really booming out now. Now we're going to add in our mushrooms. Like I said, I'm using some fresh white sliced mushrooms here. Let's go now, another 2-3 minutes, high heat all the way, keep it moving. Okay, so as you can see, the mushrooms have broken down a little bit, give off a little bit of moisture. But we're on a nice dry fry, nice and noisy as you can hear it. Okay, time for our rice. I'm going to switch spoons now. Go for something like that where I can actually move it around. In goes our rice, cold, cooked rice. I'm using basmati. Now what we want to do is fry this rice now for 4 to 5 minutes, high heat. Keep it moving. We actually want to fry the rice, so if I get a little bit of brown or blackness on the rice, I'm happy. See you in 5 minutes. Okay, there you go, super happy with that. Just going to grab some green onions or spring onions, whatever you want to call them. Off goes the heat. We're going to throw that around. Check that for salt because we didn't put any in. I find that the soy sauce that we put in the pork is enough. You might want to add a little bit more. That's entirely up to you. That's it. Wonderful pork and mushroom fried rice. Really going to enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.